this piece for a couple weeks, and I usually make it I call it the mama and the baby. So I cut this one up and I started sealing it. I started working on it. I need to start working on making the baby, and I need to make it out of the same piece of wood because my thing is I want it looking the same. The mama come up with this piece. See what I cut it. This the only thing I gotta watch is like I see the mama, they go put it in the wall like that. This one gotta be cut like this because you cut it like that, then the baby be running backwards. So I wanted that facing the same direction that the mama going, like this, the follow through. Because this is the problem I had before. You know, still a lot in this thing I knew. Figure out this thing fit on this piece of wood. I don't want to use that way. They fit pretty good, but I don't want to use this spar because this spar, they're cracking. See how it cracks over? So I don't like that. I want to make sure that's it. But it is all this piece over here is the part of the tree, and this part is the part of the burl, and the burl. No crack. The tree cracked, but the burl no. Got to fit it with a chainsaw. Let's see how thick it is. I had to put it. I had a small little shipping. Put it in the shipping. It actually is I call it shipping, but it really actually is a planner to cut all that, and make it smooth. And then I will mark that thing all again, and I go with the ground and finish. Edges over here I had to finish with a grinder. Like this, I be careful not cross the line to keep the fish in shape. Because I don't have a bandsaw, you know. Most people use a bandsaw and it's easy with a bandsaw, but I don't have no bandsaw, so everything I do is the chainsaw and this grinder over here. So we're gonna start it with this. Yes. This thing I really broke. Yeah. Jeez. Inside I have some kind of bearings or something because I can hear the thing slow down and locking the thing and grunt and make a weird noise in there. See, I keep it doing it with it, probably gonna get so hard and then it will work. So I had to get another one to finish this fish. Well, I guess it's time to go chop. My favorite store to chop. Alright, so we have this is the one I got it before. But this one, maybe try this one. We'll try the that wall. To be just got it back from Lowe's and I got to try different things. This one, they have an extra blade for this, for the steel. Still can use it to chop in the blades in the llama. But this is not for wood. Well, at least I don't know. I never used it. I got it at Gift Wall. That's my first one. I buy a sandal, and the sandal lasts for a while, so I hope that this one lasts too. I try all different kinds and see which one that lasts long. So this one, I don't complain about it. You know, the thing is about 3 years old or 2 years old, and I'll be working pretty hard. So let's see. We finish with the fish. See, they have a natural eye right there. When I finish, they're gonna have their own eye. Usually what I'm looking for, something natural. That's the thing I gotta do. I gotta do this. This is two different things you mix together and they make it shiny. The wood and seal the wood good like this. They don't see this two bottles. You just gotta put it even. You know, they work pretty good. You know. They're gonna look like when I finish with the baby. This is the mama. The other one is the baby. So you like it, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check my website for this stuff.